I'll share how to say food names in Mandarin and show the characters in traditional Chinese. It'll be an interactive video series, and let me explain how it works. There will be 3 food-related vocabularies and 3 sections of practice. Begin with a complete introduction, including English names, Pinyin, and Chinese names. I'll leave some seconds for you to repeat after me. The second section is fast-paced, after the English names, followed by the Chinese names. I'll give you bonus content before the end and explain selected Chinese characters with their decompositions. The final section will be a review that I only show you their Chinese names to focus on reading them. The food-related vocabularies in this video are steak, 牛排, cheese, 起司, and roast chicken, 烤鸡. Steak, 牛排, and roast chicken, 烤鸡, are literal translations. 牛 is cow, ox, bull, or beef. 牛 is a Chinese radical and also a pictograph. 排 is used to describe a flat meat cut. As a result, 牛排 is a flat beef cut, a steak. Cow means to roast, and 鸡 is a chicken. 排 is a flat meat cut, and we can also combine 排 with 鸡 to make them 鸡排. 鸡排 is a popular local delicacy in Taiwan, and I strongly recommend you try it out. I'll share with you more about 烤鸡in the bonus content later. Stay tuned. 起司 is translated phonetically, and it will help you to memorize it easier. It's the end of the first part, and you're welcome to pause, to digest, or to make screenshots. Then move on to the next fast-paced section. Are you ready? Let's go! Steak, 牛排, cheese, 起司, roast chicken, 烤鸡. Here's the bonus content. 2 Chinese radicals, 火 fire and 追 bird. 火 fire and 追 bird are both pictographs. 火 fire shows on the left of characters and keeps the original shape of 火. 混火 fire is on the bottom of the characters. 火 fire changed to 火 fire 4 dots. 追 means a bird, and 追 mostly shows on the right part of the characters. When you see 追, it implies the characters, such as 鸡, relates to a bird. Hey, I hope this bite-sized content is helpful to you, and I feel hungry now. Before the end, let's review them again. They are steak, 牛排, cheese, 起司, and roast chicken, 烤鸡. I'll upload a series of food-related vocabularies. If you'd like to know more, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.